Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 3, Lupopo 0. I'm joined by the kid with no sense.
Steve, fighting no one, fix urban football.
Yeah.
Don't care who says what, Steve.
Yes.
A game of politics, a game of a high intensity game, from denying the other opposite team to enter the stadium, from beating their players, from intimidating the referees and not allowing them to inspect their bench, which is allowed in terms of the laws of football.
Yeah.
It was a very high intensity game, Steve. But
definitely.
I think the opponents, they really stayed in that uncomfortable moment and still won the game, Steve. I've realized a lot of things today, Steve. I realized, Steve, time is money, Steve. In economics, we say time is it's a scarcity commodity, Steve. It's a scarcity commodity. It's hard to find today. I realize Steve.
Yeah.
I again realize Steve. Pirates lost, but they won our hearts.
True.
I've realized in this game, they lost, they drawn, they won.
Yeah.
3 things in one game, Steve.
They lost.
They lost, they won, they drawn. 3 things in a game, Steve. But getting to the game, Steve, I want you to listen to me very, very carefully. And you will say, Tabs, I told you when they won MTN8, I said, the system has won you a cup, but is it going to sustain you in such competitions?
That was your question.
CAF Champions League competition. That was my question.
Yeah.
And I was proven right that you cannot sustain him in the CAF competitions.
It can't.
I'm going to tell you something and need you to listen to me very well.
Sharp.
When Mamelodi Sundowns, okay, let me start with Skukuni.
Yes.
When Skukuni fired Lekano Siema,
Yes.
they went on and signed a coach. They knew that Skukuni can be on the number 3 and on the top 8 spot.
Yeah.
They can be in the top 4 spot.
Yes.
They went for a coach that will level up the thing, that a coach that will elevate the things.
Yes.
And bring you cups.
Yes.
A proven winning coach.
Yes.
You get Eric Tinkler. When Mamelodi Sundowns went on signing Cardoso, they knew they're a league winning mentality team. They went on looking for they were struggling in CAF. They went on looking for a coach who will who's proven to be good in CAF and can put you in finals.
Yes.
He took them from quarterfinals to final.
Yes.
When Orlando Pirates, when Jose Rivero left, they were an all machine that can win CAF, that can win MTN8, that can win games and everything.
Yeah.
When they went looking for the coach, they went down, they depreciated and went down and looked for the coach with no CAF experience. A coach who has never competed in CAF.
Yes.
And they expected for them to be in the semi-final of CAF. I know people will say Pirates won to the 3-0 and everything. They will tell you that Jose Rivero they lost to Joining Galaxy.
Yeah.
But this Pirates, this is the same Pirates that Jose Rivero with new players. Difference between Jose Rivero and Absol Odu is that Jose Rivero was never given resources. This coach was given a pool of resources, but yet he's failing.
Yes.
Again, talk about experience, Steve. In such game, Steve, trust me, this team didn't come here to play football tactically or whatever. They came here to play with your mentality. Wise man in football says football is about mentality. The legs and the body are just the tools of football. It's about the mentality. That number guy who was wearing the threads and Makuku, he was never there to play football. That's why the team never trusted him. They never thrown the ball to him. He was never, he's not good even. Katsura Bolo Damani doesn't do anything. They put him in the game to deal with the mentality of the players. Pirates was full of inexperienced CAF players. CAF is about mentality. That's why you saw Mbogazi doing that thing. Go AFCON against teams that are from the outside. They question your mentality. They question your emotional intelligence. And that's where Muremi lost it. That's where many people in that Pirates field lost it. Because of, if you foul us, if you push us, we sleep. We are wasting time. That's why time is a commodity, it's a scarcity commodity. They waste time, they get the time. Again, this game was full of inexperienced players, while Pirates have experienced players on the bench. For them last season to be in at some point was because of experience from AFCON and everything, derived from AFCON and everything. You have the likes of Mabasa, you have the likes of Mbata, whom is not injured. There's no one who's going to convince me that Mbata is injured. The coach, let me tell you, the coach doesn't like Mbata. When he came to Orlando Pirates first time in the first Pirates, if you remember, start up that season, he was not playing better.
Yes.
He was not playing better at all.
Yes.
When some games in Namkenza, we thought he's injured or sharp. He went to World Cup qualifiers, played a 90 minutes game, won, scored. And when you need goals, look, you go Bruce. You play Talent Mbata.
That's true.
You play Talent. Bafana when they played Obas and Mrembola, they were not winning. When they played Sitole and Mrembola, they were not scoring. They put in Talent Mbata, they score. You need those long shot balls. There's nobody who's going to convince that Mbata is injured. Again, Mahupa. I mean, okay, he missed a clear chance last game, but in this game you need strikers that can score. You look at the first 10 minutes, the first 15 minutes. About Tito Bolo, Tito had a very wonderful game compared to Mbule. Mbule wanted to be a ball-playing player. In such games, you don't need a ball-playing player. You need someone who's gonna just take the ball, cover the space, pass the ball, shoot the ball inside the box. Then you do the job. You hit, you score. But unfortunately, there was no terms of reference. There was no striker that the boys can take the ball and shoot in the box and score. There was nobody. You have 3 strikers, Mbutuma, Mabasa, and Mahopa. You still bench them. They will tell you that they scored 3. That's the thing. You still bench them. What happens when Mbutuma comes in? He scores. Again, you need players that can. It's such game. You need players that can good long range. The only way to break a low block is through long balls. Is Thibaut. It's through those long balls that we can get deflection and score, like the way Police did. You have the likes of Jamin that could have started the game with experience and everything. Take nothing away from about Omonema Tangela. They had a very good game, but unfortunately, such games requires experience. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. And there was a point where they were supping in Livito. In fact, okay, Pirates, how many players were they defending? They were only defending one player, Figo, who looks like Figo. They were only defending him.
The striker.
They're only defending him, but you put in Libito into the game. Hey, Joe, you have attacking players. You need attacking players in such a game, Steve. But take nothing away from them. Coming back in such a game, it's something that you can credit Steve. But I think with such squad that the coach has, Orlando Pirates could have done a lot better than preliminary stages. Could have done semi-finals, could have done finals with the squad that they have. That's why I always say with the squad that we have in the country, if we don't win or be in the final of the next AFCON, I don't know what more AFCON does it need. Because with such players, Orlando Pirates is not. It's not sensical to be out of this stages. Very much nonsensical. But what can we say? I think they should just bow their head down and accept that they lost. And now they have chance of winning the league. Their chance of winning the league have raised because of now you have your compete against the South Case. Kukuni can be the competition, but forget about us. Sundowns is gonna be flying away in and out. They're gonna have fatigue and everything. When now you have only focus on the league. And for Coach Absel Odune, it's tough for him because the next game is another knockout stage. You lose, you are out against the team that they played against with Magis, but they can win. We know in South Africa. He can win South African games, but at some games where they need the coach brilliance, he won't win them. This game, he lost it himself. No player blamed. Yanale Mbutuma, in fact, that thing happened. Fuken did it. Messi missed the penalty. Ronaldo missed the penalty long time ago. Mahopa, Mahrobla, many quality players missed penalties. I mean, it's not the same as like Yabo Duprizi, Yabo Mayo. You know, if such thing can happen, that means penalties can also happen. So the boy must just chin up and accept. And credit to Orlando Pirates fans for seeing him with that thing. Because of if for another team, a boy was once, career was once, confidence was once player confidence ilabaisha fast ko Chiefs after getting a red card in such kind of games. Happy Mashiane. From after there, the support was never there. But for Orlando Pirates fans, I credit them for the support that they're giving Yerele Mbutu. Still, what's if I out here?
Man of the match. Yeah, man of the match.
Man of the match. In fact, I give to the opposite team.
Yeah,
no, for just staying in the game and dealing them with mentality. It's very good. Sipo China can only stop Sundowns penalties, not any other penalties. Thank you, Steve.
Top.